Shocking visuals coming to light there from China. Unfortunately, it's not the first time that it's happened in that particular amusement park as well. We're shifting focus now to the brutal road rage incident that took place in Gaya. Now, while Aditya Sachdeva's death has made headlines across the country and the talk is around accused Rocky Yadav as well as his mother Manorama Devi, Aditya's story largely remains untold. He had just taken his class 12 boards and was attending a birthday party when his life was snuffed out. So what was this young 19-year-old boy like? Here's a report.
Aditya Sachdev, 19 years old. The bright young face all of India is now so familiar with. Photographed here in happier, calmer, less devastating times. These photographs of a confident young man betraying nothing of the terrifying death that awaited him. Take a close look at these pictures. There's a reason this story, far in remote Gaya, Bihar, has an entire country stunned. And these photographs tell you why. Aditya Sachdev could be you. He could be your friend, your brother, your son, the boy next door. A happy youngster entering the prime of his life, blissfully unaware of the horror that would end it all. Young Aditya smiles in these photographs, unaware of the devastation his death has wrought on his family.
हमेशा मस्ती करता था, पर ऐसी चीज़ों में उसके साथ हो जाना मतलब मैंने कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था और ये काफ़ी शॉकिंग था।
मेरे बच्चे का 12th का रिजल्ट निकले, उससे पहले उसका रिजल्ट निकले। उनको मदर डे पे गिफ्ट मेरा बेटा देके गया ना, अपनी मौत देख ही गया है मेरा बच्चा। उसका रिजल्ट निकले, उसका रिजल्ट निकले।
As India wonders if Aditya will get justice for a happy life cut short, this is how his family, his friends and his loved ones will remember him. Bureau Report, India Today.
In the latest on the probe front, it's been over 72 hours and Rocky Yadav's mother, JDU leader Manorama Devi, is still missing. Manorama has been accused of shielding her son Rocky, who allegedly killed a 19-year-old in a hit-and-run case. Now, the suspended JDU leader has gone into hiding after police seized liquor from her residence. She's now been on the run for over 70 hours with police still on the lookout. As the political heat rises, there's now tremendous pressure on the police to find Manorama Devi, who's been untraceable for the last 3 days. Meanwhile, Rocky has been taken out of police custody and taken to an undisclosed location for further questioning.
ये जान रहे हैं, सरकारी से ये जानना चाह रही है कि मनोरमा देवी कहाँ है।
तो ये आप लोग टीवी वाला पता करो ना, आप लोग तो सीआईडी का काम करते हो। ये तो ज्यादा आप लोग इन्फॉर्मेशन करते हैं तो सहायता होता पुलिस को, पुलिस अपना खोज रही होगी।
And India Today also spoke to Manorama Devi's personal assistant Ajay Sharma. Here's what he had to say.
अभी तक तो हमको जानकारी नहीं है कहाँ है, उनको भी समय मिलना चाहिए। जब उनको पता चलेगा तब तो उनको पता चलेगा, खुद सरेंडर करेगी। मैडम हमसे परसों से कोई बातचीत नहीं हो रही है और मैं अभी परैया में हूँ और उनसे कोई बातचीत नहीं हो रही है। मैं तो उन्हें सलाह दूंगी तुरंत जाएंगे पुलिस से क्यों भागेंगे, वो नहीं भागती हैं पुलिस से वो।
Well, in the light of the police unable to even find Manorama Devi in the last 72 hours, Aditya Sachdeva, the victim's family, claims incompetence and evidence tampering by the Bihar police and is now demanding a CBI probe. The kin of the 19-year-old claim that there are several loopholes in the police investigation. They also accused the cops of tampering with evidence. The family says there might be some sort of a conspiracy to protect Rocky and his mother since they are a rather influential family. It's been 6 days since 19-year-old Aditya was killed in that incident, in that brutal road rage. But the police only took Aditya's blood-stained clothes for forensic examination on Thursday, which was just yesterday. Aditya's clothes were thrown on the road near the post-mortem room, which was picked up by the family members soon after. Now, the police carelessness in this particular incident was also displayed at a media conference where the murder weapon allegedly used by Rocky was showcased with bare hands. The officials did not have any gloves on.
उनके परिवार वालों को हम भरोसा दिलाते हैं कि उनके साथ न्याय होगा और जो दोषी हैं उन पे हम लोग कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा का हम लोग काम करेंगे कि उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा मिले। इसको आगे जो केस होगा इसको और मजबूत किया जाएगा और जो दोषी हैं उसके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई।
And even as Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar continues to maintain a rather stoic silence in Aditya Sachdeva's murder, the victim's family has spoken out. Aditya's mother, in fact, lashed out at Nitish for being completely silent in a case involving the son of a JDU legislator. We're talking, of course, about Manorama Devi. The family says they have no faith in the Bihar government and are demanding a CBI probe into the incident. They also claim that the corpse as well as the government is trying to shield Manorama Devi and her son Rocky. His family has also questioned efforts made by the police to track down Manorama, who's been on the run for over 70 hours.